I am so pleased that it looks like we are going to be one of the appropriately first providers of care to high-risk people to get the vaccine for ourselves and our staff. We will be getting the well-studied or the best studied Moderna vaccine, one of the first two approved under an emergency use authorization. And this vaccine requires 2 doses given approximately 28 days apart. And it's really important to recognize that this vaccine does not include any whole virus. It is absolutely impossible to get COVID-19 from this vaccine.
We'll all get 1 dose, and then 28 days later, we'll get the second dose, and then we're done with the series. It is important, while we may develop a little bit of immunity after the first dose, it's really, really important to get the second dose and wait at least 2 weeks before we can get to the 94% immunity.
Yeah, so the side effects are pretty much mild. The most common is soreness on the arm. Some people can get some chills or headache, but for most of the time, they just go away within few days. So it's really, really well tolerated by a lot of people.
Well, I've had multiple colleagues of all backgrounds, all ages get the vaccine, and they've all done very well and have had minimal side effects, mostly arm soreness. And my wife and my mother-in-law have also received the vaccine with no complications, and I'm kind of jealous of them because I want the vaccine right now as well.
Well, for me, I want to get the vaccine so I can give other people confidence who might be scared to get it, and also to protect my family and my parents. Both my dad and my mom are cancer survivors and are in remission, so I want to be able to protect them and also be here for my children to be a provider.
I'm going to be getting the vaccine because how it's impacting my demographic. And as a father of 4, I need to be here for my children. And I want to make sure that not only I'm safe, but the people that I work with are safe and the people that I'm around are safe. And by getting the vaccine, I'm doing my part.
Well, I think the vaccine is important for so many reasons, and I'll tell you why I'm getting it. I'm getting the COVID vaccine for my kids so they can return to sports, so they can return to school, so they can return to their friends and return to their lives.
I'm getting this vaccine because I'm very confident of its effectiveness to protect myself and my family, my parents who lives with me, and the participants that I serve are elderly and they are more vulnerable, and I care for them deeply. That's why I'm taking this vaccine.
Hi, I'm Dr. Richardson, anchor physician, and I'm excited about getting the COVID-19 vaccine as soon as possible to protect myself, our participants, and my family. That includes my mother, who's recovering from open heart surgery, and has many chronic conditions, including diabetes. As a frontline worker, I care for the elderly professionally, but also personally with my in-laws and my parents. And in order to ensure that we have a safer 2021, we have to make sure that we get both doses of the vaccine and continue to do the social distancing and mask wearing until we all can get through this together safely.
It's really important to me to set an example for my family as well as my community to get the vaccine. I work in the healthcare field and I'm out in the public, and I don't want to spread the virus to my mother who's 73 and my aunt who's 86, and of course our participants. I don't want to ever give them the virus.
I'm 100% supporting the vaccine. I am very much excited to get it because I know that it will definitely protect every one of my patients and our families. And I would, I would still continue to practice safety distancing, masking, social distancing, even after the second dose, because I know it takes about 2 weeks to attain 94% effectivity.
I support getting the COVID-19 vaccine because it is 95% effective in preventing people from getting sick. And if a lot of us get the vaccine, we can develop herd immunity and protect all of us?
I believe so strongly in the safety and efficacy of this vaccine that I will get it, not only to protect myself and everyone around me, but also my unborn child. As a pregnant frontline worker at increased risk of severe disease complications, the CDC, American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, and the Society for Maternal Fetal Medicine support my decision to get the COVID vaccine. I spoke with my obstetrician first, and I recommend that anyone should do the same if they're pregnant or breastfeeding as well.
I'm excited to get the Moderna vaccine. Even though I'm a single person, I want to protect myself as much as possible so I don't get sick. I don't want to be sick. I don't want anybody around me sick. So I'm going to get the vaccine.
Well, I'm going to be getting it because I believe in science. I believe that, whatever side effects there may be, however small, will be way better than actually contracting COVID-19. So please do your part. Protect your family and get the vaccine.
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 Please get the vaccine.
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 Get the vaccine.